Tired of endlessly scrolling through the same old streaming services and want to dive into the vibrant world of African movies and TV shows? Let's get Waka TV installed on your phone in a flash. First, head over to your phone's App Store, whether that's the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. Tap the search bar and type in Waka TV. Be sure to spell it correctly, Waka TV. Once you've found the official Waka TV app, look for the install button. It might say install or get, depending on your device. Tap it to start downloading the app to your phone. The download speed will depend on your internet connection. Be patient while the app downloads and installs. You'll see a progress bar indicating how far along it is. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Waka TV icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the icon to launch the app. Now, you'll likely be greeted with a welcome screen. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing your email address and creating a password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. And that's it. You're now ready to start exploring the vast library of African movies and TV shows available on Waka TV. Happy streaming!